All right, for 5b, same idea as before. We're going to draw ourselves a reference triangle. Notice again, I always do mine in this same orientation. Now, you might be like, oh no, I don't know how to do this reference triangle because I don't know what secant is. But remember, secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So if secant theta is 4, then cosine of theta has to be the reciprocal of 4, which is 1/4. And now we can set up our triangle. Cosine is adjacent, one adjacent side over the hypotenuse, right there. So to figure out this third side, we need to do a little Pythagorean theorem, and we're going to get 4 squared minus 1 squared equals that side, I don't know, let's call it b squared. So 4 squared is 16, minus 1 squared is 1, equals b squared. 16 minus 1 is 15. So b is going to be the square root of 15. Ugly number, but that's okay. No one said that these numbers had to be pretty. So square root of 15 for that side right there. Okie dokie. Let's start cracking through them now. We already have secant theta and cosine theta completed. So let's figure out where on the unit circle we are again, which quadrant. And again, remember, all students take calculus, or that other way to remember it. And let's start figuring out where we are. Well, we know that cosine is positive. Cosine, again, we're talking about x values. So wherever we are, our x values are positive. So that excludes both of those quadrants over there, where x is negative. We're also told that the value of sine is negative. Sine is our y values, so we have to be in the fourth quadrant right there, where sine is negative. Cool. Now we can start going. So let's figure out sine theta. Sine is opposite, which in this case is the square root of 15, over the hypotenuse, 4. But it's negative because sine is negative. So we get that guy, and then we can get the reciprocal, cosecant of theta. It's going to equal the negative 4 over square root of 15, the reciprocal. But oh no, we need to rationalize that denominator. So hopefully by now you can see how to rationalize denominators really quickly. I apparently don't know how to do it because I'm doing it incorrectly. Negative 4 square root of 15 over 15. Can you look at that? Negative 4 over root 15 going to negative 4 root 15 over 15. Hopefully you can look at that and see how we got it. The root 15 went to the numerator, the negative 4 stayed in the numerator, and we lost our square root on the denominator. And again, that's just because we're multiplying by the square root of 15 over the square root of 15. And awesomeness happens. So let's go ahead and do tangent then. Tangent of theta equals opposite over adjacent. So our opposite is the square root of 15. Our adjacent is 1. So we're just talking about the square root of 15. But again, look at the quadrant we're in. In that quadrant, only cosine is positive, which means that tangent has to be negative. Last one, cotangent, just the reciprocal of that. So flip it. Negative root 15 over 1 goes to negative 1 over root 15. And we have to rationalize it, which again, we're going to get the square root of 15 over 15, and it's negative. Sweet!